Okay, this is my Arrow Garden Bounty. Got it based on a pretty good sale on Amazon. Yeah, unplug that. Might not be. Oh, there we go. Alright. Boop, boop, boop. That's dirty. Hopefully the little rootlets will come out nice. Yeah, a few tore off, but it's about right. Oh. Okay. Take this thing off. Oh, I don't need that on there. Oh, come on. Okay. Okay. Everything went out. That's pretty good. That crusty stuff off. I mean, I'm not sure, but it'll probably screw up the... I gotta get my particle. Good enough for less than those can be completely thrown out. Don't. Oh no. Alright, same difference. And they're gone. I do not need this going down the drain. Okay. This I'm just gonna wipe down. That's the light thingamabobber. That kind of screws in. Whatever. All right. Okay, thanks for watching, everyone. I gotta dry my hands up if I can turn off the video recordings. Yeehaw.